Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to receive notifications for your store on Sellfy. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in sellfy.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Sellfy if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, we have, as you can see, the account settings, billing, email notifications, your purchases, and the logout button. Of course, you have the store and all of its features, and the marketing and all of its features on the left side of the screen. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and receive notifications for your store on Sellfy. So to receive notifications for your store on Sellfy, you can use the Sellfy mobile application. Here's how you can set it up. First of all, download the Sellfy app, also available on the App Store for iOS devices, available on Google Play for Android devices, of course. Then log in, so use your Sellfy account email and password to log in. Then enable notifications, go to settings section within the app. You can enable notifications for various events such as all new orders, paid orders, physical product orders, daily, weekly, monthly reports. Additionally, you can set up notification using Zapier or webhooks for more customized alerts. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.